After his kid finished printing a 3D dog, the dad was impressed at first, until he realized what it was actually designed to do.
Out of a 3D print, and so, we've got ourselves a Doberman, right? Little Buddha boy over there. So he 3D printed this Doberman, and I probably need a paint or whatever. So I showed it to my wife. She's like, "Oh, that's cool. What is it?" Well, it's a toothpaste topper. See? So I was like, "These make really good gifts." See, isn't that cool? Toothpaste topper. What she doesn't know is when you go to put it on your toothbrush, you just squeeze it there.